When it comes to automating infrastructure across multiple cloud providers, two names come up often: Pulumi and Ansible. Both can handle cloud resources, but they come from different worlds and shine in different ways. Let's break down what makes each one tick and which might be the better fit for your multi-cloud setup. Let's start with Intuit ProAdvisor. This program is built around QuickBooks, and it is designed to help accountants manage everything from bookkeeping to tax work in one place. When you join, you get access to the QuickBooks Online Accountant Dashboard, which lets you see all your clients' books in real time, manage tasks, and communicate with clients directly through the platform. You also get training resources, certifications, and partner support that boost your credibility as a QuickBooks expert. One of the best things about ProAdvisor is the integration. If your clients are already using QuickBooks, everything syncs seamlessly. You can jump into their books, fix issues, run reports, and even automate repetitive tasks like reconciliations and payroll adjustments. The certification program is another big plus. It gives you official recognition that helps you attract new clients. Now let's move to Xero Advisory. Xero's partner program has become increasingly popular among small and medium accounting firms. It takes a modern, cloud-first approach, focusing on automation, reporting, and client collaboration. The Xero Partner Dashboard gives you a clear snapshot of all your clients, deadlines, and workflows. You can manage multiple accounts, set up staff access, and track performance in real time. What makes Xero stand out is how clean and intuitive the interface feels. It is lightweight, fast, and built to keep both accountants and clients connected without unnecessary clutter. The Xero Advisor certification program is straightforward and helps you stay up to date with new features and best practices. As you move up the partner tiers, bronze, silver, gold, and platinum, you earn more benefits like discounted subscriptions, marketing support, and exclusive access to product previews. When comparing the two, Intuit ProAdvisor feels more established in North America, especially for firms serving clients already using QuickBooks. It offers depth in bookkeeping and payroll, and the client collaboration tools are tightly integrated. Xero Advisory, on the other hand, shines in its simplicity, modern design, and flexibility for cloud-based firms that work across different industries. In the end, both Intuit ProAdvisor and Xero Advisory are excellent portals that empower accountants to do more with less effort. ProAdvisor gives you structure and depth within the QuickBooks universe, while Xero Advisory offers freedom and flexibility across a wider tech landscape. Whichever you choose, both can help your firm work smarter, grow faster, and give clients the confidence that their finances are in expert hands.